Hey there guys!
So I took a little bit of a YouTube break, but now I'm back and I want to share with you this recipe which may be helpful for your New Year's resolutions. You want to start out with an onion and you want to peel it and then cut it into smaller bits. Next up, you want to peel your garlic as well. Then you want to take a pan with a little bit of oil in it and you want to add the onion and press the garlic into that. And then you want to let that sit for a minute or two. Next up, you want to add in your meat. Then you want to cut down the eggplant. Again into quite small chunks and add those in as well. And you can see that the meat is pretty much all cooked through right now, so now you want to add in the eggplant. Next you want to cut down some zucchini. You can swap these with other vegetables, just what you prefer. And add those in as well and mix them in. Now you want to let that sit for a couple of minutes, just so the veggies can get a little bit, cooked as well. You want to cut down your mozzarella cheese into thin slices. And then you want to add in your sieved tomatoes, because you can't have a Bolognese without these. And then I also cut down some fresh tomatoes and just added them in at the end. And then you want to take some cream cheese and mix that in as well. And then lastly, put on your mozzarella cheese and then put on the lid of the pan and let that sit for a couple more minutes. I will have the exact time down below. And then you're done. So this is a very nice low carb recipe with lots of veggies and a little bit of meat, and I hope you try it and enjoy.